everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and it's Chloe here. Today I'll be making Thai red curry duck with lychee. Here are the ingredients. We will be using smoked duck breast for our recipe. Place duck, skin side up, into oven at 180 degrees C. Roast for about 8 to 10 minutes until skin is crispy. Open a can of lychees, drain and set aside. In a wok, heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat. Then add 2 tablespoons red curry paste and cook for 1 minute. Add 200 ml coconut milk and 100 ml water and cook for 5 minutes. Snip 6 to 8 kaffir lime leaves and add to wok. Add 8 cherry tomatoes. Season with half tablespoon fish sauce and 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Add lychees and stir to heat through. Cool the duck breast for about 5 minutes, then slice. Place duck in serving bowl. Spoon sauce over duck. Garnish with Thai basil leaves and red chilies. Our Thai red curry duck with lychee is ready! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends. Bye! See you in my next video!